We've talked about it before. Words make a difference. Today I want to talk to you about when to use the word chase and when to use the word follow. Hi, this is Larry Kaye with ShadowAnyone.com and the creator of the Investigator's Ultimate Guide series, which is premium private investigator training from someone who's been there and done that. The words chase and follow. This is something I discuss in a little more depth in my book, How to Make a Citizen's Arrest, but it makes a really big difference. To be honest with you, if you're chasing someone, they are fleeing from you. They know that you're behind them and they're trying to get away. If you're following someone, if you're doing it well, they don't even know you're back there. Now, sometimes you can follow someone and they know you're behind them, but when you use the word chase, that means you're pursuing them and they're fleeing from you. And it's a very bad and dangerous word to use a lot of times, especially in written reports. Now, of course, you have to tell the truth in your reports, but knowing that means beforehand you can make a more rational decision on whether to chase or follow someone. So imagine for a moment you see a purse snatching. The person grabs the woman's purse, takes off running. You're in a car on the street. And you pull up a little bit and you see when the guy gets around the corner, he throws down the purse and starts walking down an alley. Now, he doesn't at that point know that you're following him. You can kind of move along, look between houses and keep an eye on him and follow him that way. On the other hand, if you hop out of your car and begin chasing him, he looks backwards and sees you there and continues to run. Now that's a chase. Now, this is an obvious difference, but really it makes a difference because liability is so high during a chase. Even the most vanilla type chase that might be going on is wrought with all kinds of problems. Now imagine this person runs into the road and gets hit by a car. Someone is going to blame you for that. Imagine that he runs into the street and the cars stop and don't hit him, but the second car back rear ends the first car. Someone's going to say that was your fault because you were chasing him. To chase or to follow, I prefer to follow if at all possible. If I have to chase, I will, but I understand there's a lot of risk and I'm willing to break off that chase if necessary. Certainly when you write your reports, choose the proper word, and even when something like this is happening in progress, if you're calling into 911, remember your phone call is being recorded. So whether you're on foot or in a car, be very careful about whether you use the word chase or follow because it's being recorded and it may come back to haunt you later. This is Larry Kaye with ShadowAnyone.com. Remember, do the right thing, even if it's the hard thing.